Hey YouTube, Rico Rivers 123 here, and I'm here to show you that I had a request that to make a shout out for this one person, and I had to delete somebody because I already have 16, and I know this person in real life. Beak Snapper, I don't know if you can read it. He mainly just made the account just so he can go on the videos that he couldn't go on unless he had an account. So that's why, pretty much. But since I know him and he's in my family, I made a shout out for him. But I don't think he really cares about being shout outed or whatever the crap you call it. So I'm going to X him out. Okay. Save changes. And now he's out. Now I gotta make the video about him. See you guys in my next video.